welcome once again to Bash Maths Studio. We are going to continue with solved examples on the non-perfect square root. This example will be a little bit of a higher number. So example 1 was the square root of 5. I found the value of the square root of 5. It's right here on the channel, so you can look up for it and then follow it. Then we move to a little bit of higher numbers. So example 2, EG2, will be finding the value of the square root of 20. I want to find the value of square root of 20 without the use of a scientific calculator or any other calculator. So our solution, let's get our solution down. Let's get our solution down. Now we are still using the long division method, so we write root 20 as the dividend. Write it here, and then the same procedure. We look up for numbers that when you multiply by itself, it's more closer or less than 20, of which we know 2 times 2 will be 4, 3 by 3 will be 9, 4 by 4, 16, and so on. The next number becomes 5 by 5, which is 25, bigger than root 20. Hence, we stop at the root of 16. And clearly, 4 times 4 is the more closer one, so it's 4. Then we multiply by 4. We get 16. Then we do the subtraction. So when we subtract, remember we will do borrowing. It's not possible to subtract 6 from 0, so we do go to the left hand side, we borrow 1, it becomes 10. And so you subtract 6 from 10, you get 4. Then now we move on. So after we double this number, or you just add the new number or the top number to the divisor, so you will get 8. Note that you are going to put a certain number here, such that when you multiply the new divisor by the number that you put here, the same number, it is going to be closer or equal to this new number. But note that 8, and then even the new number that we are going to get, it's always going to be bigger than 4. Or when you add only 1 0, it is going to be bigger than. So we always add. It is advisable to always add 2 zeros. So this number we are going to get 400. Now immediately we add 0, remember to put 1 dot. Don't say that we added 2 zeros, so we are going to put 2 dots. No, it's not done in mathematics. So when you put 0, you still add only 1 dot. So you put 1 dot there. Now let's do trial and error. We see a number that when we put here and multiply by the same number, we are going to get a number that is closer or equal to 400. So let's get rid of these numbers and try some few numbers and see. So 8 is the number. Let's pick from maybe 3 going. You can pick from 10, because this number is huge. So 4 by 4 will give you 16. Remember 1. 4 by 8 is 32. And then we have a remainder of 1, so we get 33, right? That is it. So we move to 8. This is a little bit closer, but let's check 5 and see. So 5 then by 5. Note that we are multiplying, so let's check that. Now 5 by 5 will give you 25. So 5 remainder 2. Then 5 by 8 is 40, right? Yeah, it's 40. 5 by 8 is 40 plus is 42. It's bigger, right? So 5 by 8 is 40 plus 2 will be 42. So it's bigger than that. So let's get rid of this, and our guess was correct. So let's use 4 and then 4. You always have to take care and then make sure that your multiplication and choice of numbers are always accurate. So how we did that, what did we get? We got 3, 3, 6. So let's get rid of this number again and move on. I'm really not interested in that. Now, what have we gotten? Let's do some little bit more and get maybe at least 2 decimal places. So let's continue with this. Subtract. Note that this is 0, so we can't subtract this also 0. So we move to the extreme end, borrow 1 from there. It's tens. So we move here, it becomes 10. We subtract 1 again. This is left with 9. So this number is left with 9, and then we bring the 1 to be 10. So now the 0 is now 10. We subtract 6 from 10, you get 4. Then you subtract 3 from 9, you get 6. And this is left with 3. 3 by 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. So we are left with this number. Now we have the new number to be 64. And then the divisor is 84. Note that we are always going to double the top number. In fact, if you are interested in doubling the top number, then you should neglect the decimal point. So if you want to double this number to be 44 by 2, which will be 88, which is the same thing as just taking the new number that you wrote here and you add it to the subsequent divisor or the new divisor. So 4 plus 84 will be 88. Note that you are going to leave a gap here where you are going to fill with a certain number, and such that if you multiply by the same number, it's going to be closer or equal to this number. So we are always going to add 2 zeros like we did previously. We are going to get, and this time is 88. So now let's pick the 88. Then because 6,400 is a bigger number, let's pick a little bit bigger number. So let's assume that the number is, let's start from maybe 3. So that this will be 3. Let's write it again. This is 88. So 3 by 3 is 9. 3 by 8 is 24. 24. 4. Remember 2. This is 24. To be 26, right? 26. So let's move to 88 by let me write it a little bit. 88. Let's predict the number to be maybe, let's say 5. So we multiply 5 by 5 will give us 25. 5 remainder 2. 5 by 8 is 40, right? 40 plus 2, 42. 2 remainder of 4. 5 by 8 is 40. This will be 44. So 4. So smaller. The number is 6,400. This is 4,000. So let's move a little bit higher. 88. Let's talk about maybe 7. Let's talk about 7. So 7 by 7 is 49, right? 9 remainder 4. 7 by 8. Let me put multiplication there. 7 by 8 is it 56? Is also 56. So 7 by 8 should be 56, right? So 7 by 5 is 40. By 6, 48. By 7 should be 56. Yeah, sure. Then plus 40, plus 4 will be 60. So 0, a remainder of 6. Then the same thing. Is it 56, right? Plus this will be 56 plus 6. 56 plus 6 will give you 12. 2 remainder 1, so it will be 6, right? So 62. 62. We have moved a bit higher. So let's pick 8, 8, and then 8. Multiply by 8. 8 by 8 is 64, right? Yeah, sure. 64. 4. Remember 6. 64. 70. So 0. Remember 7. 64 plus So 64 plus 7. We get 11, 1, so 7. This is bigger, right? This is bigger. So we are not going to use 888. We are going to use 887. So the number will be 7. The number will be 7. So if you multiply by, you get 6209. And we are going to subtract. You can continue on and on and on, but I decided to leave our answers to 2 decimal places. You can continue using the same approach or procedure. So therefore, we see that the square root of 20 is equal to 4.47. Thank you very much for watching this episode 2. You follow it step by step. Please don't forget to subscribe to do us a little favor. And then also you can comment down there, and then you can also share with your friends to also get some benefit from the videos, this one and more of the episodes. Thank you very much. May God be with you. Bye.